Hello friends, welcome to AJ Tech Book. So today I have this Amazon parcel. I don't know what is inside there. Actually this is a gift which given me a very special person, Krishna, and but I know it's a watch. So let's do the unboxing and see what's actually there. So okay, it's a NIBOSI. Nawab. Okay. I think it's a warranty card. Okay, this is the warranty card, and it's attached with manual instructions how to set the dates. Okay, let's put it aside. Wow, they wrote it's a leather, but I think it's not original leather. Maybe it's artificial. NIBOSI 1985. Wow, guys, this watch looking so premium. But what happens with this time? I think I have to set the correct time. Let's put it on my hand and see how it looks. Okay, so this is the NIBOSI watch, and it looks very premium on my hand. Actually this strip is very smooth, and it's looking the quality strip. Okay, let's see the all keys, how it works. Okay, it's I think stopwatch. Okay, I think this rotate and this will stop this. Yes. So guys, it's a really very nice looking watch, looking so decent and premium. And let's see what worth of this watch. Price of the watch is 1980 rupees. They provide in the box this stamp and this cloth to clean the watch. Nothing else. Fine. And it's international guarantee. Yes, it's a guarantee card, but they told me it have a 6-month warranty. So guys, time to see it's really waterproof or not. NIBOSI says it's waterproof, but have to check. And I have no tension regarding this because it have a 10 days return policy, so it's fine to check. So I dip this watch in water for 1 minute and it's still working. I hope you liked the video. See you in next video.